The next item on our order paper is personal explanation, and I'd rather come on that personal explanation.
Is that what you intend to take your matter under?
Yes.
So please, please go ahead and do it under personal explanation.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, honorable colleagues. I will go straight to the point. It is with with mixed feelings that I want to, at this time, at this moment, at this hour, and at this minute, present to you and the Honorable House my letter of resignation from this House. If I may, Mr. Speaker, I have the letter here.
Honorable colleagues, may I have your attention, please? I would want to read the letter submitted by one of our colleagues, letter of resignation, which is supposed to take effect from today. So with your kind permission, I read it verbatim. The letter is addressed to me, the Speaker of the House, and it goes as follows. I write to tender my resignation as a member of the 10th House of Representatives. As you are aware, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency Asuwaji Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, has asked that I join his administration as Chief of Staff in the Presidency. After my long service in the House of Representatives, I have agreed to serve in this new capacity. Serving in the House of Representatives has been a great honor, for which I remain eternally grateful to God, the good people of Surulere, Lagos, and Nigeria, and all those who have supported my political journey in different ways over the last 20 years. I thank all those who in various ways have made my time in the House memorable and productive. I especially thank my colleagues in the 9th House of Representatives for electing me as their Speaker and supporting me throughout my time in office. May God bless and keep you all. I congratulate you on your election as the Speaker of the 10th House of Representatives. And as you resume this new role at this critical moment in our nation's history, be rest assured of my support and my best wishes. Please accept the assurances of my highest regard. Signed, Femi Gbajabiamila, member of the House of Representatives, representing Surulere 1 Federal Constituency.
May I take my leave, Mr. Speaker?
Thank you. May I take my leave? Thank you, honorable colleagues. We wish you all the best in your new endeavor. Our prayers will continue to be with you. Thank you and good luck. Thank you. Thank you.